like, and comment, and subscribe our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to International Diecast Garage. This is your host Jason, here to do another little mail call unboxing. This one came from our good friend eBay, Evil Bay. It's a Dr. Jekyll and Hyde relationship. So glad everybody's here with me. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you liking our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We can't tell you how much we appreciate you and all your support. Some of these are kind of hard to open on camera, so I went ahead and flapped the end of this. This thing is in here really tight. So bear with me. Try to get this thing out. That's the shipping choice, but hey, it works. It's here. Let's see what we have. This is something a little different. Hopefully something a few people will like. Let's step back into time, guys. What do you say? McDonald's, Back to the Future, Marty's hoverboard. Collect all four. This has a little cartoon Marty McFly in there on his hoverboard. I just accidentally fell down the rabbit hole recently. A good friend of mine, Brother Ed, over at Alpha Diecast, sent me one of these, and here I am buying more of them. McDonald's, Back to the Future, Vern's Junkmobile, all supplies last. These are labeled 1991, so these probably came out in 92. So stinking cool. Back to the Future Happy Meal, Einstein's Traveling Train, also in there. And last but not least, this guy, he's still sealed, and I'm kind of surprised it doesn't have any of the cardboard and stuff in there like those other ones. But this is the big dog. It's Doc hanging out of his DeLorean. And we are just going to go ahead. Let me get my knife out here carefully. I'm going to try to cut these where I can still possibly display the bags a little bit. I've got a pretty nice little Back to the Future shelf going. And this is going to definitely go in there. How cool is that? Back to the Future 1991 McDonald's. So these are Sparkmobiles. Spark Arrest toys. So cool. I shot a short a while back if you guys want to go take a peek at it. Look at Doc. But these actually spark when you roll them. I thought that was so cool. And I love the one that Ed sent me. It had just a little bit of playwear, not too bad. This one's brand new. I thought I'm just gonna play with one of these and I'll put one on display. So cool. My daughter likes the other one. So there is the one. Let's see if I can get this one open. Gonna be Vern's Junkmobile. Isn't that cool? I love the bathtub. And the wheels on these, they actually still in pretty good shape. They're rubberized. Kind of neat. I think this guy, yeah, you press him down and it makes him actuate. But I love the colors. I was totally an 80s kid. Grew up in the 90s. So it just made sense to grab these. See what I'm going to save him for last. Let's get Einstein out of this little plastic prison. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Something a little different, toy related. Isn't that cool? I think this one doesn't really have a special feature. He's just to roll around. Isn't that neat? I think my daughter will love that one too. She's probably gonna steal these before I get to display them. All right. Last but not least, here is Marty. He's riding his little board. Back to the Future, 1991. Isn't that cool? So there's the set, guys. I think those are really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be kind to each other. Take care of one another. Look after your neighbor. Thanks for viewing. Can't tell you how much we appreciate it. Hope everybody's doing well out there. And until next time, guys, peace. Catch you on the next one. If you want more Happy Meal toys, please leave a comment on this video. Okay, now I'm gone. Peace. See ya.
Like and comment and subscribe our channel.